Hi, if this has reached you, Smooth Sailing by Ella Fitzgerald is playing, and I'm late to work. Hey, and I just want you to know that it's Smooth Sailing on out from here.
At the next lights, turn right.
It's Smooth Sailing out from here. Okay, we're 11 minutes late, but we didn't hydroplane. We didn't hydroplane. We didn't get in a car accident. We're getting to work safely. The 11 minutes late might be a divine reason. Maybe that accident that was on the freeway would have been me because I'm a fool. It's Smooth Sailing.
At the lights, turn right onto Vanneran Street.
Me? Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay.